help out. I got this. Sorry, mate. Open the door! Is it bad? Where are we going?
I got you. Don't go dying on me a third time, okay?
Oh, there's a knife in my leg. Okay, Woodley. Maybe we should leave it in. No. Wasn't that bad?
Sam? Watch it!
Get down! I got the blind here! Here, set view! Nice.
Any other toys in this Batmobile?
Smoke! Turn. I will. Turn. I will. Turn. I will. Turn!
Come on, actually!
The fridge!
What, are you gonna kill them with snacks?
Backup blood supply! Take this, you bloody bastard!
That's the beast.
It's the beast! He's got a rocket launcher!
Sam, incoming!